And this time around we'll be looking at HTML text formatting, which actually means there are some elements, there are some tags that they are majorly used for formatting of text. For instance, talk of bold, talk of strong, talk of italics, talk of delete, small marks, so superscript, subscript. So we are just going to be looking at all those elements in this class. All right, so but let me first explain what is text formatting. Text formatting actually refers to controlling how text appear in your page, or we can say it's the process that allow you to visually change the content on your page by including certain tags. So we include certain tags to change the appearance, to convey what you are actually saying, to convey more meaning to anybody that is reading the content of your page. So now I've tried to put some table here where I give you the tag usage and the description, so you can pause the video, practice it on your own, or practice the practical aspect of it on your own. All right, so you can pause the video and check all the description. Like I said, for the bold, you define the bold text, just check through it and actually get what they are actually doing. All right, so let's just go into the practical. If you remember, I've already created a folder called my site. So I'm inside that folder now called my site, this folder that I created. So I hope you created the folder with me the other time too, and you have this this same file inside it. So now currently, now because the default application that I said you should be using to open this HTML type, that's the type of this file is HTML. So I said you should be using this. So because of that, that's why it's seeing it as the default browser. It's seeing it as, if I double click it, that is what is going to show me. So I'm going to change that. I'm going to right click it because I want to edit. I want to continue editing what I've edited before. So I'm going to go back and click notepad. So you see, this is the last things we did in the previous class. All right, so this time around now I'm going to you can pause the video and actually follow along. So I'm just going to paste some code here now. All right, so this code is going to it will explain every of those elements that I talked about. Let me put this JPEG so that the picture can actually show. And also let me put a break tag. This is another tag called a break tag. What this break tag actually does is that it breaks it. That's after this image, then it will continue. The next one is going to continue from the next line. All right, so since I've edited this, so I'm going to save it again. Then I can now go back to that same folder. I will now double click the index. All right, so now it's showing me the HTML formatting tags. This is bold because I applied that bold. This is emphasize. This is italics. This is a small text. Okay, now let me go back so that we can understand what this is trying to do better. All right, so I'll just apply the break tag. The break tag, after the emphasize, I will apply another break tag. I will apply another break tag, another break tag, another break tag. So let me save again. And since it's already open, since it's already open, I don't need to open it again. I'll just click reload. So now that's already reloaded. So you can see this is bold because I use the bold. This is emphasize because I use the M to emphasize. This is italics. This is a small text. So there are different things. You see, this is subscripted. This is what we mean by subscripted. The two, I put the two to be in the subscript. If you look at the code, if you look at it, so I put H, then I now put the two to be a subscript, and then O. So and that's why you see it's in form of this H2O. So that's why this subscript is used for chemical formula or something that has to do with you putting something like this down, and this is superscript. So this is up, this is the opposite of this other thing. So this is deleted and inserted, this is deleted. So you can just play around, just look at what each one of them do. I don't want the video to be too long, so that you can actually with a little this thing you can watch and look at what they do. So this is let's look at this last one. This is mark. So this actually mark this thing. So do not that the person should focus on that. You should remember to focus on that. All right, thank you once again, and I'll see you in the next video.